Alright, we are live, I guess. Let me see if everything works. Alright, guys. There we go, someone already joined. Kaboom, servus. And we're gonna do an English stream today, by the way. I wanna do an English stream, but welcome to the stream. I'm waiting for New York Open. We have already some people that joined, crazy. Frezzy, welcome in the chat, and Kaboom. So let's see if we're gonna find a nice trade. I didn't trade at all yesterday, by the way. Yesterday the market wasn't good at all. So I did not take any trade. Let me post the stream quickly, guys. I'm quickly gonna post the stream on X and on Discord as well. And I'm gonna put this chat here so I can actually see it. Oh fuck, doesn't work. That doesn't work. Whatever, I'm gonna leave it here, I guess. Boy, I haven't streamed for a while on YouTube. I need to get used to this. Did you guys take any trade already? Or any of you in the trade? Let me post it on X. There we go. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll get back to you. I need to quickly post this everywhere, so all the people know that I'm actually live. But yeah, I didn't trade. Did you guys trade yesterday? I didn't trade yesterday at all. I didn't find any good setup to take on my funded accounts. Okay, I'm gonna post it on Discord now. 1 second, guys. Live here. There we go. Wait, why doesn't it work on X? Is my stream gone? Oh, it works. Okay, good. There we go. Okay, guys, 1 second. Alright, I did it. I'm gonna close this, open the chat. Alright, we have 3 people watching. Man, I need to grow my YouTube. I need to stream a lot more on my YouTube channel now. I'm probably gonna stream always on YouTube now as well, guys. So I'm waiting for these 2 setups. I posted them on Discord as well. I have a buy limit here. We are pushing right now though. Order flow still looks bullish, and I have a sell limit at this place right here. So I'm gonna wait for my trades. Man, how can I take out this chat here? But Frezzy, how are you doing? And Kaboom, are you guys in a trade right now? I don't know how I can actually pull out the chat. That's kind of annoying. We have a new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for the subscription. Johan, thank you for following. And someone else also followed. Let me see. Where can I see people that followed? Man, I'm not used to streaming on YouTube. Sorry, guys. I'm a complete noob. But the alerts seem to work. The chat, I need to make the chat a lot bigger. Let me do that quickly. I need to make this chat much bigger. Chat log. Why is it so small? I don't get why it's so small. I think it's supposed to be bigger. Wait, I maybe have to add this again, guys. I need to quickly fix the stream. Wow, it's so annoying. I haven't streamed for such a long time on YouTube. Wow, so many followers. Thank you for all the new followers. And make sure, guys, to also use the chat. That makes the stream much more interesting. But let me first figure out this chat because I want to make everything look nicely. So many subs. Crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, for all the subs. I'm fine. Kaboon wrote, I'm fine. Thanks. I started my third FundedNext challenge, twice funded on 25k accounts. So guys, we are trading on max funded, I'm max funded on FundedNext and max funded on Topstep. So all the trades that I take here on stream, I'm gonna take them on 10 accounts, and you will see the results in lifetime once we are in a trade. But as I said, right now I'm chilling, and we're just gonna wait for my entry here. I only want to take this short. I'm not gonna short this level here, guys. So yeah, let me see, the chat is much better now, I think. It's still not perfect, guys, but I'm gonna fix this on the next stream, I think. So now it stays for 5 minutes, the chat, I think, and then it's gonna go away. So let's see, guys, what do you think? What do you think the market is gonna do today? Are you guys bullish, bearish? Bitcoin dumped again, by the way. Bitcoin is so weak, and Ethereum as well. Ethereum and Bitcoin is just so weak compared to ES as well. I'm Yoruba, thank you for subscribing as well. The alerts seem to work. I even hear them on my PC, on my MacBook. But I need to make the chat look a little bit better. But I'm gonna probably do this after the stream. Not good at multitasking, so. Guys, how is the music in the background? Is it too loud or is it fine like this? If you want it to be quieter, you can always tell me that. I can switch it, make it quieter. We are pushing like crazy. Crazy pump right now. Bullish news. That's why we saw this massive pump. And guys, I'm probably gonna stream for 2 or 3 hours every day now on YouTube. I need to be really consistent on YouTube, so I'm gonna stream every day on this channel here. I'm gonna try to stream every day for like 2 or 3 hours at least. But congrats, Kaboon, for passing your account, passing your FundedNext challenges. So you are 50k funded right now, right? You said you have 2 funded accounts and 1 that is not passed yet, I think. Yeah, you started your third challenge. Kind of boring right now, guys, because we're not in a trade, but I'm not gonna rush into a trade. All the trades I take, I actually take them on my real funded accounts. So we have to be patient, wait for the right entries, according to my strategy. I'm not gonna rush into anything. We are still pushing, order flow is still looking bullish. It's still looking really bullish, actually. Would be nice to go up here, guys. It would actually be nice to fill this sell limit here. I'm definitely gonna sell here. I'm definitely gonna take this trade. We have a lot of confluence and an order flow level at this level here. I posted this 2 days ago already. This level. And as I said yesterday, I didn't find any A+ setup, so I didn't trade at all on my account. That's also why I didn't stream. Let me also add my order flow software quickly. I think I have it added. Nope. Wait, like this, I think. So we can also have some look at the order flow and not only at the TradingView chart. And as you can see, we have new buyers stepping in, still a lot of new buyers. Bullish CVD, still looking fine. We're still above the daily VWAP as well. What? Someone wrote something. Rapid accounts. Alright, so you have rapid accounts that you're using. I also use the rapid accounts. I have 5 50k rapid funded accounts on FundedNext, and you cannot have more than 5. So 5 is the limit. So the way it works on FundedNext, you can have either 5 50k accounts or 500k accounts, and I decided to go with the 50k accounts because the risk-reward ratio on these accounts is much better than on the 100k accounts. But it's actually kind of pointless to buy a 100k account, in my opinion at least. And I also have the 50k Apex, sorry, not Apex, the 50k Topstep accounts, 5 of them. So I'm max funded on Topstep and on FundedNext. And right now, guys, since I'm now also trading max funded on Topstep live, I'm only taking 2 contracts for each trade. So I don't want to risk a lot, guys. The goal is to consistently grow these accounts. So even with 2 contracts, all you see is times 10, guys. So I'm gonna lose on this trade. I'm gonna lose 2k, and if it hits my take profit, I'm gonna make 5.5k. And here, if this take profit hits, I'm gonna make 6k and I'm gonna lose 10k. And you will see this once we are in a trade, because on the top left you can see the real-time results on all the accounts together. Absolutely, but I can handle a smaller account better than a bigger one. Yeah, and you have to keep in mind, that's really important. If you look at the drawdown of the 50k account and the 100k account, the drawdown on the 50k account is much better, and the profit goal that you... so the risk reward is much better on the 50k account compared to the 100k account. But the 25k accounts are also fine. But what I've seen, I saw someone in my Discord yesterday, he posted that on FundedNext they have some new accounts, the 50k bold challenges, and they're new and they're really good in my opinion. Someone asked this in the Discord yesterday. They cost like, I think $99 for a 50k account. And the only additional thing you have is you can lose a max of 1k daily, so you have a daily loss limit of 1k, but for me that would be completely fine. And yes, it's really cheap. It's 99 bucks, I think, or something like this. So I paid more for my accounts here. It's actually a really good deal. We have 5 people watching. It's not that bad for YouTube, guys. But as I said, I need to be much more consistent. I haven't streamed for like 2 months now on YouTube. I need to be really consistent now. We are still pushing. We are at the value area high, so we are at the resistance now, guys. But I'm not gonna trade this level. I can show you here. We are at the 1-hour resistance level right now again. But as I said, I am waiting for this entry. This is a much better entry. We have an order flow level here as well. So we have this order flow level here. I'm gonna quickly show you that and why I'm waiting for this level, because we have so much liquidity there. I don't want to trade in between. I'm gonna show you the order flow levels here, guys, and you can see 7034 is the level, the order flow level, and here we have so much liquidity from this previous session. So I'm gonna show it here for sure. And yes, I'm gonna show it to you on TradingView now. 1 second, where is it? And this is the same level here. This is the exact level, as you can see. I enter a little bit early, a little bit below this level, because sometimes these levels get front run. So I'm gonna wait for this level, guys. I'm not gonna be greedy and go into short here. You could potentially short this. I'm not looking to short this though. Kaboon Road, 5 times $100 a day is enough. Yeah, and for me it's 10 times. And I have days where I hit like $800 on each account, so you can imagine you don't need to risk a lot, guys. If you have a lot of accounts, you rather risk less and make sure that you don't blow the accounts, because over time you can make much more payouts. That's what that's the sad thing, guys. Many like many social media trading gurus, they always risk a lot and tell you that trading is about getting rich quickly, but that's not the case. The more capital you have, the less percentage you need per month, and you will still make more gains because you're trading with a higher capital. So my goal is to keep these accounts as long as possible, guys, obviously, and that's why I also reduced my risk a little bit, since I'm now trading with 10 accounts and not with 5 accounts. I hope that makes sense for you guys. But yeah, guys, if you are not in my Discord, by the way, I wanted to tell you this as well. I'm gonna host a new giveaway soon on my Discord. I'm gonna give away a 25k account for free. You don't have to pay anything, guys. You just have to sign up with the link. The link is in my profile or also linked in Discord. You have to sign up there, and then press the button on Discord and you'll be able to join it. So I'm gonna post this, and it's gonna be I'm gonna post a CFD account, so I'm gonna give away a Forex account this time because many people ask for it. So yeah, make sure to join that, guys. I'm gonna also, this is really important, guys, with all the promotions I'm doing, I'm giving everything back to the community. So these giveaways this is why I'm promoting them, because then I can make those giveaways. The goal is to give more and more away to the community, but that obviously depends on how big I'm gonna get, how many followers I'm gonna get on social media and stuff like this. But I've been giving a lot away, like I think it was all close to like 20 accounts that I gave away already. 20, 25k accounts, something like that in total now. So I'm gonna always make these giveaways, guys, and the goal is to obviously give away more, but for that I need more reach. I'm not that big, as you can see yet. I'm not a big streamer yet. But that takes time, obviously. Sort of the real plug. David Chandler, thank you for the comment. Hey, we have 7 viewers, man. I need to stream more on YouTube. I'm kind of bored of TikTok. They always limit my streams. I got locked out on TikTok, by the way. I cannot stream until tomorrow, I think. But guys, I'm always gonna stream on YouTube now. So make sure to like put on the notifications if you want. I'm gonna be live here a lot. I'm gonna really try to stream 2 to 3 hours every day now, from Monday to Friday. We're gonna trade a lot together. But how was your week, guys? Did you trade a lot this week? I didn't trade yesterday. I only traded on Monday, and now I'm waiting for a trade. I also haven't even taken a trade yet today. I don't know. The market is not really going to the levels I wanted to go to right now. But this is really important, guys. If like many people would probably still trade now, try to trade levels like this, for example, the level right here. This is a valid trade setup, but for me it's just not an A+ setup, so I'm not even gonna risk to trade this on my account. And this is really what helped me. I don't know, in the beginning it's really difficult. A lot of people like to be in a trade all the time. But honestly, most of the time I take 2 to 3 trades a day. That's it. That's enough. That's really enough. You need 1 good win a day, and on 10 accounts that's enough. You saw my profits as well. I also posted them on my Discord under wins. So even a small trade on 10 accounts is a lot. So this is why I'm not rushing into any setups that are not A+ setups. What is gold doing? I saw gold also went up today. And silver as well. Silver went up 5%. Bitcoin is such a meme coin right now, honestly. Like S&P 500 is strong, Bitcoin and Ethereum is just super weak. They went down again 2% in the last 24 hours, so that's kind of crazy. So what are you guys looking to trade today? Is anyone looking for a similar level like mine? Or are you probably using a different strategy? But what do you guys think? Do you think we're gonna go above this previous high, or do you think we're gonna go down now? I would really love to see this level here get hit. And if we go lower, I'm gonna go into buy here most likely, but we'll see the order flow then, if we actually go lower. Right now it still looks bullish. And here's the order flow right now. Wait, go out of here. Why does it look so weird on stream though? Wait, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. Okay, I think like this looks better. So as you can see, guys, it's still bullish. We have positive delta, we have a lot of volume coming in still. We are above the previous day very high. That's a bullish sign as well. Above the daily VWAP. So this is why I'm still bullish. And I'm not looking to short right now. I do believe these shorts here are gonna get squeezed. We just have to be really patient today, I think. I do think we're gonna see a lot of volatility in the next 2 hours. I do really think we're gonna see quite some volatility. With New York Open coming up in 20 minutes. And by the way, this is the insanest long we took on stream as well, from here. This was such a banger trade from last week. Hope we can find a trade like this this week again. That would be cool. Still at the value area high, as you can see, and still at the highs. We're gonna go to 15 minutes. I think that looks a little bit better on stream. Gonna actually load the 50-minute time frame here on extra charts. I'm gonna go back quickly to TradingView. There we go. I think that looks better. Let me see. Gonna make the ticks a little bit bigger as well. Let me go to 10 ticks. I don't know which one is... I'm trying to find a setting on extra charts that's kind of good for streaming. But it's not that easy. Let me try 30 ticks. That kind of looks ugly, honestly. No, 5 is the best. Whatever. I'm gonna leave it like this. We also had the single print here, guys, by the way, which was hit. But right now there's no need to panic. I'm still expecting higher prices, honestly. Plus we have New York Open 20 minutes from now. So how is the chat doing? Any one of you guys in a trade, let me know. Is any one of you already in a trade? Retesting the previous day value high. Oops. Not a lot of volatility, but as I said, we're gonna have more volatility soon. 19 minutes to go for New York Open. Just a waiting game at this point. So kind of boring stream right now, guys. But it is how it is. We can just enjoy the music. Enjoy the music and wait for our levels. No matter what your strategy is, guys, you should always wait for your levels. And never ever ever rush into a trade. That's really important. Only if, according to your strategy, the trade is valid, then you should take it. That's really important. No trade before New York... oops, wait, let me go quickly to TradingView. No trade before New York Open, and inside first hour I do not trade, my rule. Yeah, I also noticed that. It's funny that you say this, Kaboon. Honestly, most of the times, the biggest price action comes around 1 hour. Well, not exactly 1 hour, but about this time after New York Open. Sometimes even at 5 to 6 p.m. So like 2 hours after the Open, there is like the biggest move of the day that's happening. It's not always like this, obviously, it's no guarantee, but most of the time. So I agree with what you're saying. But for me, for my strategy, the sessions I trade in don't matter that much. I can trade 10 hours a day. I mean, not 10 hours, sorry, 22 hours a day. So I can trade, I cannot trade from 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. like you guys who also trade on FundedNext and Topstep, like you know. But sometimes I even go into trade, you saw this already guys, sometimes I even go into trade at midnight and hold it over the night. So it really depends, it really depends. So if I would be in a trade right now, let's say I would be in a long from here guys, I wouldn't close it. I would not close this right here just because of New York Open. So it really depends with my strategy. We need some more chatters, guys. Make sure to leave some notes or leave a comment in the chat, guys. So we can make the stream a little bit more interesting. It's also good for the algo, I think. I hope we can go up here. Guys, I hope we can push a little bit higher here. For all the people watching, by the way, did you guys, is this the first time you're watching my stream, or are you all like from my TikTok streams? Are you guys here from my TikTok streams, or is it the first time that you're actually watching me? Cannot decide what music to listen to. Wait, I'm also gonna post, I forgot to post the stream on the other section. I'm also gonna post it in the Swiss chat quickly on my Discord. Why does my thumbnail look so strange? My thumbnail looks kind of strange. Batched here. Oh, that's you batched. David Schendl is batched, alright. Karim Buchiraf, no. What do you mean with no? Let's see, guys. I hope we're gonna push higher. So 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes to go for New York Open. Until then we can just chill. Batched, you're always in my streams, that's cool. We took a nice short on Monday together as well. That was funny. Batched and me were both in an ESL on Monday, that was kind of funny. It was a midnight trade. 6 minutes. I also, by the way, I also need to get this channel monetized. The channel I'm streaming on isn't even monetized right now, by the way. I need to get this monetized because it's really good for the algo, I think. Because right now my channel is not monetized, so I need to work on that. And for that I need to stream more. We need to stream a lot more, and I need to also stream on TikTok together. I think that's really a good idea. But I'm just gonna stream in English then. But hopefully TikTok is not gonna ban me again. I mean, that was strange. Well, I'm gonna go over to extra charts again, so you guys can also see more of the action in live time. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this. I think this looks even better. The cool thing is, this is the only cool thing about having the pro license. Guys, so I think I told you the story before, but CME, so to be able to have this order flow, you need CME data, right? And now I go on the professional trader. I have no idea how they found this out, but they upgraded my account to a professional license, so I had to pay more. But the cool thing is now I can actually stream this, because I have a pro license. I'm allowed to stream this here on my stream. So this is the kind of cool thing, because I think without a pro license you're not allowed to live stream it or show any like charts and on social media and stuff like this. But it's kind of funny how they found this out. I have no idea how they found this out. I think they found my LinkedIn or something. But I got upgraded to a pro trader on CME. It's really strange that this happened to you guys as well. it's kind of annoying though when I go out of the order flow software. I check the chat. The screen doesn't show properly, so that's kind of annoying. I agree with you. Kaboon wrote, I agree with you. I make better decisions outside of my high volatility periods when the market is calmer. I've been trading for maybe 6 months and need time to adjust myself to this volatility. I'm kind of looking at how the chat looks right now. I still need to fix the chat. It looks a little bit ugly, honestly, on stream. But yeah, I agree with you. But there are a lot of people that like only trade throughout a certain session. For example, they say they only trade during New York Open or after New York Open, 2 hours after that. And I never do this. I never take a trade just because it's in a certain session. So I personally just trade my levels. It doesn't really matter when the level is hit. I usually just trade it then. Well, depending on the order flow as well in lifetime, but there are some sells coming in now, guys. There are some sells. But still positive delta. You can see this here in the last 15 minutes. You can see here if the delta is positive. Overall, if you had... So right now we still had more market buyers, new market buyers here than market sellers in the last 15 minutes. And this is what the delta tells you. For example, here we had 4.4k contracts. 4.4k positive delta, I mean. So we had 4.4 contracts that bought more in this 15-minute candle than sellers. And you can see the volume also picked up here. Still looking bullish, honestly. Well, that indicator signal here was kind of good, actually. It's an indicator as set up on extra charts. I don't really trade them. I like to look at this when I hit the level, if I get a bullish CVD. But this was a really good one here. I mean, if you went into a buy here, guys, look at this. This was the exact low. Crazy. I mean, this would have been a sick trade here. You can see the green dot here, that's what I'm talking about. You can see this here, the green dot is signal from the script that I run on extra charts, which basically tells me if you have bullish divergence or bearish divergence. So green is bullish and red is bearish. So this was an absolute insane signal actually on the 15-minute time frame. And this also changes depending on the time frame I'm in. So on 16 minutes, these dots are even more accurate than on 15 minutes. Kind of crazy though. That would have been a real nice trade. I would never trade this only because we have a bullish CVD dot here, but yeah, it was a good setup. Now let's go to the chat quickly, see what you guys wrote. What did you guys write? Did I remember right? You wrote a PDF document in the past about your trading ideas. I did have a PDF, yes, 250 pages ebook. But that's really in-depth. That was really in-depth. Karim, big RES, 1 hour, 4 hour psychological levels. Okay, I trade similar to you then. I also trade these 1 hour and 4 hour technical levels. But I combine it with order flows. I always combine it with how I can enter on giveaway. Good question. So basically you can type this here, I think, in the chat, giveaway. And then you should see how to join it. But you can go here, Guy8657. If you go to my beacons page, I'm gonna quickly post this in the chat here. If you actually go, Guy8657, if you go to the link that I post, beacons AI/salto.live, the 2 steps are explained. So there are 2 steps. You just have to sign up with this link on FundedNext, sign up, make a new account after signing up, and that's it. And then you go into the Discord to the giveaway section, and I'll post a giveaway every week there. Right now there's not one running. I'm gonna post a new one though in the next 1 or 2 days. I'm gonna post a new giveaway. And all the winners, guys, I do not fake my giveaways. All the winners are posted. I post all the winners, so you can ask the previous guys that won if they got the account. I know there are many like people that fake these giveaways, but I'm not doing this, just so you guys know. None of my giveaways are faked. And everyone that wins and signed up with the link will get the account for free. It's kind of crazy, man, how many people fake giveaways on X and stuff like this. On X, it's really popular to fake giveaways to get reach. But yeah, you can see all the winners, guys, in my Discord. They're automatically chosen by the bot. And all you have to do is use the FundedNext link. It's also in the bio to create an account. So click on the link, create an account, and then join the free Discord. And you can always join you just have to sign up once. And once you're signed up once, you can join the giveaway every week. So it's really worth it. And there are not that many people joining. It's true, I won one already. Batched is the living proof, guys. He won an account and he's in the chat as well. I think you won a 25k futures account, Batched, right? So I do not fake anything, guys. Everything you see here and also the trades I take all my trades on my own funded accounts. Yeah, so there are also many streamers that fake the trades and stuff like this, but I'm doing everything as transparent as I can. And by the way, guys, I also decided not to sell any mentorship, at least not for now. I was thinking about this. I was thinking about teaching like 10 or 20 people. But honestly, I think it's not the right moment right now. I just want to trade, I just want to live stream, do what I'm currently doing, because that's what I like to do. And it's too much work for me and for not really a lot. I would not make much money selling it to 2 or 20 people as well. So it's not... And why would I also share like... The thing is, if I would do a mentorship, I'm not sure how much I want to exactly say how I trade and give away like my templates that I worked on for years, you know what I mean? Yeah, so for now I'm just gonna live stream. I'm just gonna live stream, guys, like I've been doing, and trade on my accounts. And I'm not selling anything, so... Even though there were like 50 people that signed up the form, by the way. There were around 50 people in 2 weeks that signed the form. It's kind of crazy. But I really like to stream, honestly. Like, streaming is a lot of fun. And it actually also is good for my own trading. Because I have more chart time, I make connections, and yeah, I don't need to sell anything. Like, there's too many trading influencers that sell stuff anyway, so... Yeah, 25k futures account. So David won a 25k futures account previously. And you can also see on my Discord, by the way, some of the winners. We are still pushing, guys. Order flow, as I said, is still bullish. Still waiting for my entry. You can see the order flow here. We had some negative delta here, 1k negative delta. And these are ES contracts, by the way. This is not the micro ES. I could also look at micro ES, the micro ES order flow, but I always look at ES order flow because there's more volume being traded here, so the levels are even more respected. And obviously I can still trade these levels on micro futures. These are, in my opinion, more respected as well. And by the way, look at this, guys. This is the level I gave you. I wanted to show you this quickly on YouTube as well. This was the order flow level that I actually gave you guys, and it was hit to the dollar. This was the low, by the way. This was the, I would say, this was the trade of the month, of the whole month actually. For anyone that also longed this, I mean, this is respected to the dollar, and this is why I love order flow. Why I love my order flow software. Quickly wanted to show you, this is kind of crazy how respected these levels are. Average view duration, we have an average view duration of 8 minutes so far. That's not bad actually. I think honestly on YouTube, guys, the main thing on YouTube to get bigger, like to get more viewers, you have to be really consistent. So I think the more I will stream live, the more people will watch me as well. Like, I think the algorithm on TikTok is so much different to the one on YouTube. YouTube really rewards when you're just consistent and stream a lot. So this is why I need to stream a lot on this channel now. Starting now. Three minutes, guys. New York Open in 3 minutes. 2 minutes, actually, not 3 minutes. Oh no, I actually wanted to smoke a cigarette quickly. And now I totally forgot. That's not too good. Well, we're still far away from the entry. Well, not that far away anymore, actually. But you can see this is the only level I want to... Here you can see also why this is the only level I want to trade. You could also trade this level. You could go into sell here. But the risk reward of waiting for this trade is much better. We have a much better... well, at least according to my strategy, I have a much better risk reward here. So this is why I'm being patient, actually waiting for the best setup here. Even though you could trade this level here already, you could also have traded this level, which I told you I'm not taking this trade because it's not an A+ setup. By the way, guys, how is the sound in the background? Is it fine? Do you want it to be louder or quieter? And is my mic fine as well? It would be nice if someone in the chat can quickly confirm if the settings are good. Because I cannot hear my own stream. Oh, I need to load up on a new energy soon. Let's see, New York Open now, guys. New York Open right now. We're gonna check if the order flow is also gonna, if the volatility is gonna go up soon. Now the volatility should go up. Let me go over to the order flow quickly. Wow, as you can see, guys, now the volatility is coming in, and you can see this also on the bubbles here. The bubbles are much bigger now, and we are bullish. Bullish New York Open so far. But keep in mind, guys, you have to wait now. I'm waiting for my entry. So this is where my entry is. But bullish New York Open so far still. Wow, 41 green bubble for the pump. Look at the difference between, this is so funny always. I love seeing this. Whenever there's New York Open, there's just always volatility coming in, always. Still bullish CVD. As I said before, guys, I'm expecting higher prices, and guess what? We are pumping still. Good that we didn't take any trade yet. I've been waiting for my level patiently. Still a lot of volume coming in here. And new orders. These are all, by the way, this is really important, guys, for anyone that uses order flow. This is a key element that you need to know. All these orders you can see here. So, for example, here you can see 3.6k contracts bought and 2.5k sold. Left side is sells, right side is buys. And these are market buys. So people that are buying that bought here right now at the market. So these are not limit orders. You cannot see limit orders here. You can see if there are limit orders by looking at the CVD and comparing it with the price, and that's like that you can see if there is potentially a big limit order here or not. And that is really, really important, guys. If you want to get into order flow, this is like the key basic thing that you need to know. Hit the M15, someone said. Let's go back to trading view. The M15, minute 15. What happened on minute 15? What do you mean exactly? It would be nice if you could explain a little bit more. Let's see if it's gonna be one of these New York Opens where it's just gonna pump a bit and then crash. But as I said, guys, I'm waiting for my entry. I'm not going into any trade here. I want to see this level hit here. Looks like we're dumping from here again, a little bit. We might go back into the value area high here. That would be the first sign that we're gonna see a bigger pullback. But as I said, guys, I'm waiting for my levels. I'm not gonna rush into this trade. I do still think we can go higher today. There is so much liquidity at that level that I would love to see be taken. But obviously, guys, you can do whatever you want. This is just how I'm trading. That doesn't mean you shouldn't be go into a trade according to your strategy, if there is one here. And what did someone say? PB till 6981 possible. Pullback, you mean? Pullback till 6981. Yeah, that could be possible, honestly. Look, we're gonna see let's see what's gonna happen. For me, if we go back into this value, below this value high here again, that would be bearish, the first bearish sign. Because then it looks like a swing failure pattern of the previous highs. If we actually reclaim this, let's see. I'm gonna check the order flow now quickly as well with you guys, so we can see what's happening here. So as you can see here, guys, we had a lot of new market sales. We had 3.4k and 4.7k new contracts that were opened up here. So a lot of sells, but still a lot of buys up here. You can see there were also a lot of buys here. And this is where the most volume was of this whole candle. We are below the previous day value high again. I'm still gonna be patient, guys. I don't want to trade this. I don't want to trade this yet. I do not want to trade this price action. We are waiting for my levels here. By the way, guys, one question to you guys. Do you want me to show trading view more often? Or do you prefer to look at the order flow? So this is this is trading view right here, and this is the order flow. So this is what costs $200 alone per month. And right now I'm not in a trade, I'm just waiting for my level. So do you want to see this? Do you want to see the order flow, guys? Or do you want to see the trading view chart? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. This is why I don't like the New York opens. Yeah. Let me know, guys, what you want to see. Order flow or trading view chart. I'm always going to switch between both, but order flow, trading view I have opened by myself, alright. Always good to get some feedback. Wow, a lot of sellers stepping in here now. Look at this green candle. It really depends if you can reclaim the previous day value high now. But it looks like we might retest the daily VWAP around 6,980. So this gets retested a lot throughout the day, always. This would be the first support here, 6,980, but as I said, I'm not trading this level. I'm gonna wait. I think today we can find a really nice trade around 4 to 5 or 6 p.m. in the next 2 or 3 hours. I kind of love these bubbles that they added on extra charts. Hello guys, we have a new... Oh, this CryptoBot official. Let me give you mod again. I think you were mod on another account. Let me give CryptoBot a mod quickly. The OG, one of the OGs on in the Discord. Thin Trades, welcome to the stream as well. We have some new people. The algorithm is slowly pushing me. As I said, guys, I haven't streamed for like 1 month on YouTube, but I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna stream every day, 2 or 3 hours now. So we're gonna trade live on my 50k accounts from Monday to Friday. I'm gonna try to stream every day, at least 2 or 3 hours. That's my goal for the next month. So make sure to subscribe, guys, if you want to see me trade live on my funded accounts for free. Tin Trades, hoi, er redet auf Schweizerdeutsch. Guys, I also speak Swiss German, but we're gonna do English streams on here on YouTube. Oh, wait. You have to stream every day. Better all go. Yeah, that's it. That's exactly it. Because on YouTube, it's all about consistency. You need to be like, you need to stream for like 3 or 4 months, I think, to finally get a good amount of viewers. But the thing is, I also looked at Twitch, I also looked at Kick, but for streaming, trading, YouTube is actually the best. It's the best by far, especially ES Futures. There are many, many big streamers trading, and I think if I stay consistent, I mean, I got really insane feedback on my Swiss German streams. I got so much good feedback on my Swiss German streams as well. So I think we're gonna get more viewers the more I stream as well. Well, let's see. We are dumping. Hiya, Francho. Swiss, there are some Swiss people in the chat. Welcome to all the Swiss people. Sadly, guys, I'm not gonna do a Swiss German stream. The reason why, because on English, streaming in Swiss German makes literally no sense. So yeah, I'm gonna stream in English, but you can obviously also type in Swiss German. I will probably also talk some Swiss German throughout the stream sometimes. But I'm gonna try to talk as much English as I can. I hope you guys don't mind, and I hope you guys can... Wow, we're dumping right now, crazy. I think we're gonna retest the VWAP. I think it looks like we're gonna retest this. And you can see the volatility is picking up again. How you can see this, guys, I have this set up. The greener it gets, the more volatility. And if it's white, there's not that much volatility. So yeah, you can see we have 3 15-minute candles in a row. Or now like 6 now that are green. There wasn't so much volatility. But now the volatility is going up. It's at 78k right now, in the last 15 minutes. Before it was at 12k. But right now there are no bearish signs. I'm gonna be honest, even though we have seen a pullback here. Honestly, it really depends. If we go below the VWAP, if we go below 6980 today, then I'm expecting a bigger correction. As long as we stay above 6980, I am bullish for the day. So the VWAP is something I can really recommend you guys to look at. Odermatt 3. Odermatt 3. Sagt mir gerade nichts im Fall. Ich bin jetzt gerade am überlegen, aber sagt mir gerade nichts. Hiya Franco hat jemand geschrieben. We have some Swiss people in the chat, guys. And yeah, I hope TikTok is gonna restore my live streaming access soon. I think it's tomorrow I can stream as well on TikTok again. But I'm not gonna stop my YouTube streams. I think I'm also gonna stream in English. Maybe that's also why I got limited. Because I don't know anyone, I don't know any Swiss person or like any German, like anyone that streams trading on TikTok in Switzerland. I don't know anyone. Maybe there's a reason for that, you know what I mean? Franco hat einfach abgerundet mit 3 mal Gold. Sehr schön, dass er abgerundet hat. Wow, there's a lot of selling pressure right now. You can see there are a lot of new market sells coming in. Olympia. Karim wrote Olympia. So you guys are watching sports. Oh, we are dumping, guys. There's a lot of volatility here. So you can see now what happened, quickly, recap. I'm gonna go over to TradingView. So this was a classic swing failure pattern above the previous highs, as you can see, and we are now inside this range again. So it looks like we can actually go lower now. So we didn't manage to go to reclaim this properly as support. We're above this level here for like only 30 minutes to 1 hour. So yeah, that's a quick update. Now let's go back to the order flow. But as I said, guys, I'm waiting for my levels. I think we're gonna hit one of these levels today. Kinda strange price action. Still above the daily VWAP, so no need to panic. I'm still bullish, honestly, as long as you hold that. Full ported NFP today? No way. No way you actually full ported NFP. Guys, we are dumping, man. There's a massive amount of cells right here. Crazy. Massive amount of new cells. But honestly, as I said many times now, guys, as long as we stay above 6980, as long as you hold the VWAP here on ES, I do think we can still go higher to my sell entry. I do think we can maybe even go up there today and get a nice trade. Right now, I'm still just being patient. I'm not rushing into any trade right now. I want to observe the market a little bit more here and wait for my actual entries. But I told you guys before, this was a possible entry, sell entry, but I'm not gonna trade. I didn't take it because it's not an A+ setup. And I only take A+ setups on my funded accounts that have the highest probability of actually going into my direction. Tin trades, they do actually full port. They do actually full port. That's not good. You need to use risk management, my friend. I guess some of you actually longed this today. Now there are some buys coming back in. Ooh, we printed a berry CVD, but be careful, guys. I wouldn't trade this here. But you can see we did print the berry CVD here now. This is, I would not trade this here. I would never trade this here, by the way. I do only look at these levels if we are at the level that I wanted to trade as an additional confluence. But as I said, we are not at the level that I want to trade right now. A big green bubble coming in again. So how is your day, guys? How is your day? What are you guys doing right now? Hey, we reached 10 viewers, by the way, before. We did reach 10 viewers. That's crazy. That's a new record, actually, for YouTube. And as I said, guys, I'm waiting for this level here. These are the trades that I'm waiting for. So we have to be patient. 7032 is an entry, and here I have a long placed. So we're getting closer to my sell limit here. I'm just waiting for that, basically. Now we're going to the previous day value high again, guys. Looks like the sellers got a little bit exhausted here. And what did you say? Yes, it played out well, but I had super tight stop loss. That's crazy. How much did you make? How much did you actually make with the trade? And is it on a challenge account or on an actual funded account? Wow, green bubbles, guys. Massive new buyers coming in here. As I said, guys, no reason to be bearish yet. Market structure is still bullish. We're above the daily VWAP. Yes, it blind. Oh, that I already read that. I think once we get into a trade, guys, we will get also a little bit more viewers. Because then you can see the live trade. And the live P&L and everything like this. It's always like this on TikTok, at least. Whenever I get into a trade, people start coming in and watching. And when I'm just waiting for my trades, there's not a lot of viewers usually. How is the stream quality, by the way? Is it good? I selected some higher bitrate as well. So So the quality should be... Can you read everything well, guys? If you're on a PC? Funded evaluation. Wait, let me go out of here. Funded evaluation phase. But seems like it was a kind of risky trade. Seems it was like a kind of risky trade that he took. Oh, funded evaluation. Okay, well then it's fine, I guess. Honestly, when I was on in my evaluation, I also risked a bit more, just to pass it quickly. It's important though, once you pass the accounts, that you reduce the risk. That's what I can advise you to do. Because most people get greedy once they get to the live account and then they risk too much, and yeah. Guys, I'm gonna smoke a cigarette actually quickly. I'm gonna go out on the balcony and smoke a cigarette quickly. So please stay in the stream and don't leave, for the sake of the algorithm. What a boring day so far, guys. What a boring day. Honestly, yesterday as well. But we have people that are staying in the stream. That's really cool. And the average view duration is going up. It's at 10 minutes now. So thank you for all the people that are watching, honestly. I'm really happy with 6 viewers already, even though it's not a lot, I know. But for me on YouTube, because I'm also streaming new on YouTube, it's kind of much. And we reached 10 as well before. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick smoke break to push the algo. And the chat, let me see what someone wrote. Smoke kills the algo. Yeah, that's true. It's never good to leave the chair. Best thing is to always sit in front of the chair and talk to you guys. Sellers coming in again. We retested the previous day very high. Rechecked it from it again. Let's see. I don't know. I'm still in bullish. There's no need to be bearish at all here. But Karim, you are right. You are right, Karim. Wow. A lot of new market sales again coming in. I mean, we're at least gonna retest this here, I think, for sure. And as I said, previous day VWAP is also at 6,980. We have the previous day equilibrium as well here, and we have the daily VWAP here. So I think this is the main support area right now to keep up the uptrend. And if we go below this, guys, we probably can see a little bit bigger correction, I think. But as I said, as long as we stay above here, I am leaning bullish. I am leaning bullish. Really simple. Really simple. Is it better for you if I have the software like this or like this, guys? What is better for you? Do you rather have it smaller or bigger like this? Wait, like this here? Let me know quickly in the chat, that would be also cool. I kind of want to make the chat stay where it is forever, but right now with my settings, whenever you type something, it's visible on the stream for 5 minutes and then it goes away. I think it's kind of cool like this. Someone wrote something. Guys, for all the new people watching, I'm waiting for my trade setup. I'm gonna show it to you guys quickly for all the new people. So this is TradingView, the other software was my order flow software. I'm waiting for this sell setup here, and all the trades I take here are replicated on my other funded accounts. So I have 5 Topstep accounts, 5 FundedNext funded accounts. So whenever I go into trade here, you will see the live P&L on stream. You will see how much I'm and profit on all my 10 accounts together. But what you see here on TradingView is only one account, just so you guys know. So what did the chat say? Bitte Chuf from TikTok, hoi. Hoi Chuf, du bist viel in den Streams. Bigger please, okay, bigger is better. Alright, good. So I'm gonna go back to the order flow. So guys, I'm waiting for my trades, I'm not rushing into anything. It's also called capital prevention. I think that's the English word. No, wait, that was wrong, I think. Capital preservation. Preservation, sorry, not prevention. Preservation. That's the word. So I'm not risking any trades that are not at an A+ setup. And guys, by the way, this is also something I wanted to tell you. I've had a lot of people that ask me, how do you fix psychology, and can you give me any tips? And what I'm doing here on my 10 accounts that are funded, I do take, so it's really simple. Each trade that I take, I risk $200 on a 50K account, and I have 10 50K accounts. So I risk $200 for each trade, and if I lose $400, then I stop trading for the whole day. So I can have 2 stop losses. Sometimes I only risk $180 or $170, but around $170 to $200. And if I hit 2 stop losses, I stop for the day. And if I reach $400 of a loss. But as I said, I'm risking $200 max for each setup. And that's times 10. So yeah, I have this fixed rule, guys. This really helped me out a lot, and I can advise you guys to also make up fixed rules. Because this is how you stay profitable over a really long time. And this is how you don't overtrade and how you don't get greedy. You just have to stick to the rules. This is my rule. Obviously, maybe you have a different rule, that's fine. But so whenever I have 2 stop losses or I lose $400 per account, then I'm stopping for the whole day. Same stop loss rule from Karim. He said he has the same rule. So we have almost 30 minutes after New York Open. Almost 30 minutes. I do still think we can reach an entry. I think the biggest move is still gonna happen today. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a 3-minute or 4 or 5 minute break quickly. Give me 1 second. I need to get a new drink, so I need to replace this here. And yeah, I'm gonna take a 3-4 minute break and we'll be back, so please don't leave the stream. That's good for the algo if you stay in the stream. So yeah, quick break, gonna get a new drink, gonna get ready. Yeah. Stay with me guys, I will be back in 3 minutes. I'm gonna leave the order flow running so you can actually see what's happening in real time. I will be back in like 3 to 5 minutes. Massive dump. Holy crap. I'm not in front of the chart for like 3 minutes and we are dumping, guys. We are dumping. We are at the VWAP right now. And I did get a new drink, so this is what I am drinking now. El Tone, it's like a Swiss brand. It's really good. It's much better and much healthier than energies as well. So we are loaded up, guys. We are loaded up with a new drink. It's really tasty as well. I love this drink. So what is the chat saying? Let me go quickly to TradingView. Is it going to hold? Interesting daily VWAP. I think it's gonna, looks like it might hold. Volley is also in the chat. Cool, Volley, welcome to the chat. I'm gonna give Volley mod as well. She's an OG as well. Add mods, managing mod, there we go. But I'm waiting for these trades, guys. I'm waiting still for my trades here. So maybe we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna go into a buy here. I don't want to buy. I don't want to go into a buy here, guys. This is too risky. Even though you could potentially scalp trade this here. There's a 1 hour support level here as well. I am gonna wait for this buy entry and I'm gonna wait for this sell entry. So quickly, so you guys know, these are the trades that I'm waiting to take. We just have to be patient. We just need to be patient right now. I also bought this, by the way, guys. I bought this for streaming. There we go. These are like almost similar to Fisherman Friends, but they're not as strong. Let's go, Volley. Volley, how was your week? How was your trading week? Did you have a good week? Still a lot of new cells here. Crazy how many new cells we actually got up here. You can see the CVD also went down, so that means there were new cells, new market cells opening here. And when it goes up, it means there are new market buys. So these are all new cells that opened here, guys. Keep that in mind. Let's see if the daily VWAP is gonna hold. We are at the daily VWAP right now. I'm not gonna trade this, guys. I am still waiting. What did Wally write? Let me see. But I really need to stream more often on YouTube, guys. Bisher langweilig. What a perfect retest so far to VWAP. Yeah, so yesterday, guys, I didn't trade at all. I didn't find any good setup yesterday. The market, the price action was just not good for my strategy to trade. Monday we took a nice short, and yes, that's it. So I'm waiting for a trade today. Haven't taken any trade so far. We just haven't reached a level that I would want to trade. What did the chat say? Nasdaq ist der VWAP daily abgelehnt worden, durchbrochen. Okay, interessant. Interesting. Someone wrote in Swiss German that on Nasdaq the VWAP has been broken, but not on ES. That's kind of interesting. But that's really important, or a tip I can give you guys. I would always look at, even if you're trading Nasdaq, it's always wise to look at ES. Why? Because the most volume is being traded on ES and not on Nasdaq. And there's obviously a correlation between Nasdaq and ES. This is also why I only look at the ES order flow, because the most volume is being traded on ES. Now it's been broken as well on ES. I mean, guys, I told you this before when you started the stream, by the way. I told you this, I'm gonna show it to you quickly. I told you we have a 1 hour level here and we have the value area high. This is a possible entry, but I did not take it. Why? Because it wasn't an A+ setup as well. But this would have been a decent trade so far for anyone that is in this trade. I didn't take this trade, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. So perfect technical reaction from this level so far, from the value area high. It's a classic swing failure pattern, by the way. Went above the previous highs and then lost them again. Weniger Wicks finde ich. I'm bearish now, so Karim wrote that he's bearish. RFJD, weniger Wicks finde ich. So R thinks there are less wicks on Nasdaq than on ES. I'm gonna always translate all this with German messages for you guys. With the daily open as well again. And we're about to hit the previous week close. We're about to hit some important levels here for the bulls. So you can see here these both candles here ended up in negative delta, so we did have new market sells that opened in these candles. Let's see, we almost hit the previous week close. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is any one of you guys in a trade? Is any one of you trading this right now? This price action? So we hit the previous week close just now. We did hit it right now, guys. Let's see if we can hold this or not. If we don't hold this, guys, we're gonna go to probably to my buy limit soon. I'm gonna show you the buy limit again, guys. So this is the buy limit here that I'm waiting for. We're still far away, obviously, but I think we can go to one of these levels today. You could potentially go into long here at 6961. This would be the first long you could potentially take. But it's really hard to find a good invalidation here for this setup. So I rather wait for this one here. Has a better invalidation and risk reward for me. So I'm just gonna wait still for these entries. Would have been nice if we pushed up here, obviously, guys, and then saw the massive dump here. What a perfect retest of the Valerie high. Look at this, guys. Look how respected these levels are. It's absolutely insane. No good setup now. Long level I have 6943. Yeah, that's a good level, yeah. At least a better one. I'm waiting for 6934 for my buy. I'm also waiting for my long. Just gotta be patient today. Remember, guys, not taking a trade is also a trade. If you decide not to trade, it's also taking a trade. Wow, we're still dumping. Let me go back to extra charts. So Karim is looking to long 6943. Let me quickly have a look at the session point of controls here. $6,946 is also the value low from this session here. I think we can actually retest this today. And look at this, we perfectly, guys, look at this. This is kind of interesting as well. This was the previous session we had. This is the low, was the low of the previous session. And we retested the exact low of the previous session now. Absolutely beautiful price action. Absolutely beautiful price action, actually. Looks like we're gonna go lower still. That's good though for us. Then we get closer to our buy limit. Oh wait, I'm still on trading view. I'm actually looking at extra charts the whole time. There we go, guys. What did someone write just now? Let me see. I could have took a short of liquidity sweep. Yeah, there was a nice short entry here. Now in hindsight, obviously, very high. I also told you this is a possible entry, but wasn't an A+ setup. But we hit the 1 hour resistance level. Perfect swing failure pattern here, and the very high of the whole uptrend. Nice technical trade. Still a lot of new market sells coming in. I mean, you can see it here. Negative delta, the last two 15-minute candles. And still a lot of volume. It looks like we're gonna go lower, guys. It looks like ES is gonna go lower. We are almost at the previous week very high. You can see this here. What's your win rate? I'm around 64%. Around 64%. But I said this many times in my streams, guys, the win rate doesn't matter. In the end, risk reward is what matters. And win rate doesn't tell anything about how profitable the trader is. We almost hit now. Did we hit it? No, we didn't hit it quite yet. Previous week very high. $64 is insane. Yeah, it's really good. But this is also why because I mostly take A+ setups. That's why I have a higher win rate. Wow, so much selling pressure still. Crazy. We're below the daily VWAP. Yeah. It's good, guys. We're getting closer to my long entry. Still kind of far away. You can see it here. But we're getting closer, guys. Nice. So I hope we're gonna go lower. Still massive amount of new cells coming in here. We're about to go to the level of Karim soon. Guy on the stream. There are some buys stepping in, but overall it's just a lot more cells coming through. Nice, guys, we're dumping. This is exactly what I want to see, honestly. I want us to go lower here though, for a nice entry. London low is gone, someone said in the chat. I made the chat a little bit bigger so I can also see it better here on stream. But I need to fix this so we can see the whole question as well. Wow, we are thumping, guys. 6949 already. Still new cells coming in all the time. We had a negative delta of 2k in the last 15 minutes, and the previous 15 minutes a negative delta of 2k as well, and negative delta of 1.3k here. These are all new market cells stepping in. 6934 is the level I'm waiting for, guys. 6934. And we are at 6948 right now. Did anyone short this, by the way? Did anyone of you short this here? Krass, vom Erft. I hope we can go lower, guys, to my entry. That would be really nice. No entry yet, okay. So I'm not the only one that's still waiting. What a massive dump though. Crazy. No, because bullish buys, I hope we can go a little bit longer. I'm definitely gonna go into the buy at 6934. Just waiting for that level basically. And then once I'm in the trade, I will look at the order flow. Ooh, we have a bullish CVD that just printed here, guys. We have a bullish CVD that printed. You can see the dot here. I would have loved to see us go to my entry and then see this. This is what I would love to see. Go to my entry and then we see a bullish CVD. But let's see, I'm still waiting, guys. I'm not gonna rush into a trade just because of the signal here. I want to see the signals at my levels. We also had a signal like this, by the way, guys, here at the level. At this level here that I traded and posted live, this was the low of ES at 6768. And we traded this live on stream. I posted this exact trade on my Discord as well for free. And we had also a bullish CVD print on the 60-minute time frame there. And now I'm on the 15-minute. We hit the anchored VWAP. Karim said we hit the anchored VWAP. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm still waiting for my setup. But you can obviously do whatever you want. But I'm waiting for my level still. I would really love to see this setup hit here. I'm gonna show it to you again. So I'm waiting for this level, guys. I'm gonna go into buy here and stop loss. And yes, we did hit the anchored VWAP, as you can see here. The first one from the whole uptrend. So this is actually what you said, what Karim said. This is actually a really important level. And we hit it to the dollar right now. So this is actually, yeah, it's a valid setup as well. But I'm waiting for this. I just want to wait for this here. I'd love to see this liquidity taken out here and then see the next move to the upside. But it is a valid setup to also long here, honestly. But I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna be patient. Wird spannend. Wird spannend at the RFD. Someone said in Swiss German that it's gonna be interesting today. Yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I hope we can get in a trade today. Just don't wanna rush into a setup here. The volume is starting to drop a bit here. Here we had the previous 50 minutes, we had really aggressive sellers and the volume also went up a lot here, you can see that here. But now it's starting to drop off, so maybe the sellers are gonna get exhausted and the buyers are gonna step in here. Let's see. So someone... Wait, let me read the chat quickly. What I need to go over to TradingView. Someone thinks that Someone said in Swiss German, RFJT said in Swiss German that he thinks the big correction is about to come still. But with big he means 5 to 10%. But also crypto dumping steadily. Yeah, crypto is so weak. It's absolutely absurd how weak crypto is. I mean, crypto is so weak. It's kind of crazy. So Karim is waiting. I'm waiting sideways, swing low, and then bullish. So for psychology, think and grow rich from Napoleon Hill is very good. That's a cool recommendation. I'm gonna check that out. 10 trades. Gonna check out that book. Don't know that yet. Well, I disable the chat. The chat is way too big, guys. I need to... Oh wait, I can actually do it like this, I think. Let me try that quickly. Yes, there we go, guys. This is much better, actually. There we go. That looks much cleaner. We are dumping still, guys. Let's hope we can fill the entry. Let's hope we can go to this entry soon. Very good, I just finished it. Really cool, I'm gonna check that out. We have an average stream view duration, guys, of 12 minutes so far. That's not too bad. I'm gonna go to exit charts now. We are dumping still. Come on. We need to go to 6934 for my entry. So we're getting really close here. Guys, it's getting interesting slowly. It is slowly getting interesting for me here. We're getting closer and closer to my entry. But I kind of like to stream on YouTube, guys. I need to start streaming more on YouTube. I kind of like this setup right now, the one I have. It takes quite some time, I'm telling you guys. Like, streaming sounds really easy, but it's actually not that easy. Like, setting everything up and knowing like which bots to use for the alerts and all that stuff, it actually takes up a lot of time. But once you're set up, it's kind of cool. We're dumping, guys. We're getting to my entry, 6934. We're getting really close here. Come on. Wow, so much strong selling volume. Holy. Come on, we need to go a little bit lower, guys. And what did CryptoBotters say? Let me read it quickly. Very good, I just finished it. CryptoBotters wrote, to be honest, I prefer more YouTube than any other platform. Yeah, YouTube is the best for streaming trading. I'm not gonna stop streaming, guys. I'm gonna start to stream more and more often on my funded accounts. And as I said, we're trading on max funded Topstep and max funded FundedNext accounts. So yeah, I think we can get more viewers over time, because I don't think any of the other streamers actually trade on funded accounts. There are a lot of streamers on YouTube as well. And yeah, from what I've seen, I don't think most of them actually are even profitable. Maybe, I'm not sure, but I mean, it's kind of strange how someone can be always in a trade 24 hours when he's streaming. I mean, that's kind of weird, because yeah, it's kind of strange. And I think a lot of people obviously do that. You have to think about it like this, guys. How do you get the most viewers if you're in a trade all the time? And yeah, I also noticed this in my own streams. Whenever I'm in a trade, there are more people watching. And when I'm just waiting for my trade, there are not that many people watching. And it's kind of strange how all the YouTubers are always in a trade, like with insane amount of contracts as well. Like, they're risking a ton amount of contracts. It's kind of strange, if you ask me, but yeah, it is what it is. Spannend yesterday levels. We are getting close to my levels, yes guys, we're getting really close to my levels. Yeah, I hope we can actually go a little bit lower here. But I do think we can reach the level today. I told you guys, we're gonna reach one of my levels, most likely. Just have to be patient. We have to be patient. Still new sellers, that's good. We're getting close, guys. We're almost at my entry now. It's getting really interesting for me as well. We're getting really close, but still, honestly, let me see the CVD. I mean, it looks like we can still go lower, honestly. The CVD doesn't look bullish yet, sadly, guys. And we're about to hit my entry now, by the way. We're about to hit the entry right now. I'm gonna leave this trade. Only gonna risk $200 here, guys. The CVD is sadly not looking bullish yet, but the level is good to trade. So we are in the trade. It is filled. You also heard it now, I think. You're in the trade now. So let's see what's gonna happen here. I mean, this is the only long. If we lose this long, guys, we're gonna go much lower. And I'm just gonna wait. This is the only long I want to take here. So we are in a trade now. I'm gonna go to trading view now. The trade is filled, guys. We are in a long. We are in a long on all accounts. And everything is updating now. I don't know. Sadly, the CVD, I must be honest, guys, the order flow is not looking that bullish yet. But I'm still gonna take this because we have a technical, really nice trade here. With a really good invalidation as well. We're risking only $200. So if we lose it, it's fine. It's part of the game, and we're gonna close it here at the point of control. You could actually hold this longer if you want to. Finally in a trade, at least. For the stream, it's cool as well. Man, this sell would have printed big though, guys. This sell up here would have absolutely printed. Was such a nice technical level. But yeah, this was the safer setup. But I told you this would have been a valid trade as well. What is the order flow doing? We're seeing some new buys, but not a lot yet. So you have to be patient. But I told you guys, I told you we're gonna most likely reach one of these levels today. Still a lot of sellers here. I think that this might be the weekly high. We'll see. This is honestly a day trade I'm taking. I don't want to hold this too long as well, this long. So I'm gonna take profits around here already. Actually gonna move this a little bit lower, below the point of control here. So I'm looking to hold this as a day trade, guys. This doesn't mean that I'm super bullish right now, but I'm gonna hold this. Honestly, if we lose this level, guys, so this is why I took this trade. If we lose this level, we are gonna go to 6,850. So if we lose this trade, guys, I'm gonna wait. I'm probably gonna switch off the stream and wait for lower and then enter one more trade because I'm allowed to lose 2 trades a day, as I said. But let's see. This is the only long I want to take. If we lose this level, we're gonna go down here most likely. So kannst du mir von erzählen, hol mir glaube trade weight. Geht's trade weight? Someone asked if I can talk about FundedNext, and yes, I can. And he asked if there's trade weight on FundedNext, and yes, there's trade weight. And this is really cool, by the way, guys. You have to do it like this. I also made a video about this on my YouTube channel, I think. There is one video how I trade, so make sure to watch that, and which accounts I use. So it's on my YouTube channel. But so the cool thing about FundedNext, if you buy an account, you get a TradeAwait login, right? And then you log in on TradeAwait and you go under settings and enable TradingView, and then you can log in over TradeAwait on TradingView and actually trade on your funded accounts through TradingView. And this is how I also do it on stream. Kinda slow reaction so far, guys. We're gonna be patient here. It's gonna be a stop loss or take profit at this point. As I said, this is the only long level that I want to take. If we lose this, we're gonna go much lower. So I don't see any trade in between here. Like, this is the only level that I would like to long. Thank you. No problem, mate. No problem. You can always ask questions, guys. As I said, I'm teaching as much as I can for free. Wow, we're pumping, guys. Let me go to the order flow. We are seeing some new buys. We are seeing some new buys here. And 3.1k contracts sold at the low. So we hope we're gonna squeeze them out here by going higher. But so far, clean entry. Clean entry for me. I told you guys, patience, patience. We need patience. In trading, you need patience and you need to wait for your setups. Never, ever, ever run into a trade. But we can still hit stop loss here, guys. It doesn't mean this trade worked out now. But I am gonna hold this. We can still go lower a bit here, I think. We'll see. We have new subscribers. Who subscribed? Let me see. How can I actually see this? We have some new subs in the stream. Wait, how can I see who subbed? I missed it, I think. I actually missed it. There's a notification when someone subscribes. Guys, we had to be patient today. It was kind of crazy how patient we had to be for this entry. But this is how fast it can go. This is why I also told you I'm not... And this is like the other guy on YouTube also said it in the chat, that he's waiting usually 1 hour after New York Open to go into a trade. And again, the biggest move was like 1 hour now after New York Open. But let's see, guys. Let's see if this trade is gonna go according to the plan. What is the order flow doing? We have some bullish CVD, small bullish CVD though. Nothing strong yet. Is anyone of you also in a long, or are you guys waiting still for lower prices? Let's see, guys. We need to be patient here. Trust the trade, trust the setup. Took your setup, really crazy. Let's hope it goes according to the plan. Honestly, if this hits stop loss, guys, I'm gonna probably put one more trade here in case we go here today. But yeah, as I said, in between here, I'm not gonna trade any. If we hit stop loss on this trade, guys, I'm not gonna look for any trades in between here. These would be the next levels here. You can see that I'm willing to take, probably would take a long, depending on the reaction. We need to get above this VWAP, guys. This is really important for this trade, and so far we are not able to go above it. I won't blame you. That's fine. Wow, nice pump, guys. Nice small pump. The CVD did print some bullish, another bullish dot here, as you can see. So hopefully, guys, we're gonna see more bullish CVD coming in soon. We have positive delta, so it's not looking too bad. Volume, also massive volume that we had. It's looking better and better, honestly, the trade. Oh wait, now you can see extra charts. I think you couldn't see it before. You can see here we had two bullish dots here. So let's hope we can go above this VWAP. I want to see us go above 6,950, guys. And we are pumping. We are pumping. Is that the Alps? These are the Swiss Alps. I'm living in the middle of Switzerland, my friend. You can see the Swiss mountains in the background, and this is also a Swiss drink here. I don't think you can get this outside of Switzerland. But these are the mountains, yeah. I love this view. I love my view. Wow, we're pumping, guys. We're absolutely pumping for my entry. Man, I told you we have to be patient, guys, today. My cat wants to go in. I have to let my cat go in quickly. Wait, it was actually not even the cat. Guys, it wasn't the cat, it was from the song. It sounded like my cat was scratching my balcony door. Man, I'm telling you, my cat is the best life ever. I'm telling you. My cat actually has the best life ever. Strange price action. We need to go above this, guys. I want to see us go above 6,950. And the best case is if we go above the daily VWAP, which is at 6,980. So honestly, as long as we don't go above 6,980, you can still go lower actually. But we are in profit right now, so yeah. Which canton? No, it's not Bern. It's in near Lucerne. It's not Bern though. Same view, but other Alps. I can see Table Mountains. What? What did Sam wrote? I can see Table Mountain out of my window. That's cool, man. Where do you live? Sam, where do you actually live? Guys, we had to be so patient for this trade. It wasn't that crazy. I was like streaming for I think 1.5 hours before we actually went to my entry. Spannend. Someone wrote in Swiss German, he has a similar strategy than mine. That's cool, man. Cape Town, South Africa. Man, South Africa is such... I'm telling you one thing. I love South Africa. I love the country. The only thing that's so sad is the criminality there. Honestly, if Africa would be more safe, it would be such a cool country to actually live in. I've been there many times, like 3 or 4 times already, also in my childhood once. It's such a beautiful country, man. It's just so sad, like the criminality is so high. I see just the See Zurich airport. Wow, we're pumping, guys. How much are we even up? 1.3k on my accounts. Let me quickly see how much we make here. If we hit full take profit, 500, so 5k. A little bit over 2 RR. We're almost at 1 RR, by the way. We're almost at 1 RR on this trade already. In a matter of like 20 minutes, which is crazy. This is what I love about day trading, guys. This is really what because I used to always swing trade, guys. I used to be a swing trader. And when you day trade, it's just so satisfying because you hit the take profit much faster. But obviously also you hit the stop loss faster if it goes the other way. But this is why I love to... day trade. We are pumperining. Crazy, guys. What a sniper. I mean, this is on stream, the level. I had this level, I was waiting for this level on stream for almost 2 hours, guys. Now we are almost at 1 RR here. As you can see, almost hit 1 RR. Let me see the order flow. What is the order flow telling us? It's actually looking better, guys. Why? As you can see, we are seeing new market buys at these lows. You can see this here with the CVD line is going up, and also we have positive delta, we have positive volume. So far it's looking good, but I want to see this reclaim 6,980. This is the daily VWAP. If we reclaim this, guys, that would be massive. And we're gonna fully close the trade at 6,985, so a little bit above the VWAP. This is the plan, and this is how I'm gonna hold my trade. But guys, remember, anything can still happen. Even though we are in profit now. This is why I'm only happy after I close the trade. I'm only happy once I locked in the profits. Because right now we can still hit the stop loss potentially. Wait, let me actually make the chat a little bit smaller. Well, I think it was a bit too big. I think it's better like this. When would you move the stop loss to break even? Honestly, I rarely move the stop loss to break even. Because the thing is, with moving stop loss to break even, you can also get stopped out again, and then the whole move can still happen. And according to my backtest, it's better not to move it. There are certain cases where I would move it, but yeah, I wouldn't move it yet. I think we can still retest the entry. But it really depends on your strategy. It really does depend on your strategy. For some strategies, it's better to move the stop loss to break even after, for example, hitting 1 RR or whatever, 2 RR. Just really depends on your strategy. But I had many cases where that I backtested, where I moved up here like this, and then we went back to entry. So if I would move it to entry, I would get stopped out. And this can also happen. For example, this here can happen here. And then we go into drawdown, and the full take profit would still get hit. So yeah, this is the negative side of going to break even. I usually put break even when I plan to hold the trade after. For example, let's say we go up here, and this was a trade that I would like to hold for longer, for a higher risk reward. I'm gonna show it to you. Let's say I want to hold it up to here to the highs. Then I would probably move, in most cases, the stop loss to break even after 2 RR. If I want to reach higher RR just to be safe. We are pumping, guys. I mean, what is this live trade again? We're almost at 1 RR here. Really clean trade. We were really patient as well, guys. I told you we need to be patient here. But yeah, let's see. We're still below the daily VWAP, guys. So yeah, we need to reclaim this daily VWAP. I might even go out at 6980 at the retest of the daily VWAP. How much would we make there? Let me quickly see this. Daily VWAP is at, let me see on the order flow software. The daily VWAP you can see is at 6980. You can see this here, 697998. This is the exact daily VWAP. And I'm considering going out of this long here at the retest, because if we don't hold this, we're most likely gonna go lower. So let's see how much profit I would make there. 6979. Then we would be up how much? Because right now I have it at 6987. Oh wait, what did I do now? Oh, okay. We are 1 RR, guys. 1 RR hit now. We hit 1 RR already in like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So congrats for anyone that entered this. You can close it, do whatever you want, guys. I'm gonna trade the way I trade. So let me see, 6.9. We would be up 2 RR here. I'm gonna do this, guys. I'm gonna actually put the stop loss, the take profit, slightly below the daily VWAP. Because I think the probability is really high of hitting that. And I wanna... You could hold this longer, guys. You could obviously hold this longer. If you want to. Clean setup, love it. Yeah, what a clean live trade, man. I love to see it. It feels so cool also when you hit the perfect trade on the live stream. Absolutely beautiful trade. But yeah, I'm gonna, guys, so if you're in this trade, guys, there are 3 options. If you want, you can close it now. You can lock in the profits. We hit 1 RR and be happy with it. If you want, you can hold it longer. You could even hold it up to here if you want to, honestly. You can hold it to higher prices as well. I'm gonna go out here fully at 69778, around that. So I'm personally gonna hold this not too long. I just hope we're not gonna go lower now. But that would be part of the game. In the worst case, I can still lose this trade. Because I'm not gonna move the entry. Because it's a 2 RR trade. A little bit above 2 RR. 2.3 RR, I think, around that. We have some new bites coming in still, so order flow looks fine. Just gotta be patient here. We did not quite reclaim this anchored VWAP, but we did reclaim... Oh no, wait, this is the VWAP from the uptrend. So we should really stay above this line here, guys. This is really important for the setup. To stay above this yellow VWAP here. What's up, Sato? Who's in the chat? Let me see. Skirt. Skirt is in the chat again. Crazy. Welcome back, Skirt. We are in a banger trade. We already hit 1 RR on the trade. But I'm deciding to hold it longer. I want to hold it until the daily VWAP. Retest of the daily VWAP. But what a nice live trade already, I mean. You had to be really patient. I was live for almost 1.5 hours, I think, before we hit the trail. It was worth to wait it. Worth it to wait it and be patient. I mean, it was worth it to wait for the setup, I mean. Skirt, did you take any trade today? We're dumping a bit again here. There's some sellers coming in again. Still holding, guys. We can still go to break even or stop loss, obviously. But as I said, I'm gonna wait until this level and fully close position here. That's my plan. Your voice sounds like another vlogger that cycles the world from Germany. Really? What's his name? Now I'm curious. As I said, my mother language is Swiss German, so my English is not the best. I can also speak normal German as well, but obviously for streaming, English is the best. But that's cool to hear, man. 1-8. Wow, we're pushing again, guys. Come on. Oh, I would be so happy with this trade already. I mean, if we hit this take profit, guys, I'm already happy with the day. Then we make... How much do we make? Let me quickly check. How much do we actually bank in here? 450 times 10, so 4.5k if we hit take profit here. And that's more than enough for today. I'm happy with 4.5k. And probably then we're gonna stop streaming. And wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm gonna stream again, guys, so make sure to subscribe. Do you recommend trading with premium? Yes, I do. I always buy. One tip I can give you guys, if you want to get the cheapest trading view subscription, always wait for Black Friday. At Black Friday, the prices are like 80% off. I always renew for like 1 year at Black Friday. So I recommend you to wait for that. We are pumping, guys. We are pumping from my entry. Come on, anyone in the chat, is anyone in a similar trade? Is anyone happy with the stream so far? Because we had a really nice setup here. And as I said, if you want, guys, you can close it already and lock in the profits. That's also not a bad move, to lock in the profits. His name is Max Roving. I'm gonna check that out after the stream, obviously. But yeah, guys, I'm deciding to hold this. I'm gonna decide to hold this until here. I do think we can retest the daily VWAP from this entry. And honestly, guys, if we win this trade, I'm gonna leave this cell open. I'm gonna actually leave this cell open here. So maybe we even gonna go, we can maybe even see 2 trades today. So for anyone that wants to be like greedy, you could possibly actually hold this up to here. I don't think we're gonna go that high, maybe not, probably not, but if you want, you can obviously hold this trade longer or close it now. That's up to you what you're gonna do. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm personally gonna wait, but anything can happen, obviously, even if the order flow looks fine still, though. But it's fully up to you guys what you do. How do you place the VP? Is it the daily of the weekly? It's what the VP? What do you mean with our volume profile? Volume profile, sorry. It's from the low. It's from the last low. Last low to the. So basically, I put it from the. I dragged it here from the last low up to here. Yeah. Sylvan here. Sylvan is also in the chat. Man, we have 2 viewers. It's kind of good for a YouTube stream, actually. For my first YouTube stream, 10 viewers. I didn't expect this, actually. So, guys, I'm planning to stream every day from Monday to Friday now for at least 2 hours. Just so you know. So make sure to leave this up if you want to see me trade on my funded accounts. But welcome, Sylvan. Alright, thanks. I dragged it from the low to the right. Alright, so enjoy your day, logging off. See you, Skirt. I see you in the next stream, hopefully. Holding to the mean. I'm holding to the daily VWAP, retest of the daily VWAP, which is here. Here's the daily VWAP. My full take profit. Let's see. I do want to see if, I really think we can retest the daily VWAP. I mean, the order flow looks fine still to hold as well. But as I said, guys, it's up to you. It's fully up to you. I don't understand your language, Sam Scosi, sadly. Holding to the mean, I don't understand what you wrote. I'd have to use ChatGPT to actually know what you wrote. Let's see, guys. We are holding the trade. Yeah, VWAP is about the mean. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the daily VWAP, so you're right. I'm hoping for a retest of the daily VWAP where I'm gonna close the long fully. Sorry, it's Afrikaans. I sadly don't understand that. Sadly not. I hope I would, though. Now we are dumping again. Let's see, guys. I'm still holding this trade. I'm gonna hold this trade. It's gonna be stop loss or take profit. Not gonna get emotional here. Setup is good. I would take this setup any day according to my strategy. So even if we hit stop loss, it's fine. Well, we gotta be patient here. This is literally the only long I would take here. If we lose this long, we're gonna go lower to 6858 and maybe another long from here. This is also why I want to hold this trade a bit longer. Didn't you mean to stream Forex sometime? Yeah, I'm gonna do this, but I really love to trade ES live. It's also, I think, better for streaming, on YouTube at least. We're gonna do some Forex trading streams though in the future, yeah. Once I have some more viewers, I think we can also switch around a little bit. We might go to the entry again, guys. I'm not sure. I'm holding this, guys, though. We are holding patiently. We're retesting the anchored VWAP from the downtrend, from the whole downtrend right now, guys. So this is the VWAP here that we just hit again. So yeah, let's go to extra charts a little bit. Switch up a bit. And what did you write? You only stream in New York or London as well? No, I also stream earlier sometimes. It really depends when my levels hit. I will be streaming sometimes earlier, but I'm gonna try to stream mostly around New York Open because I know most of the people are watching as well around that time. So I'm gonna try to stream as well during New York Open most of the time, but maybe sometimes we're gonna have some late night trading streams or early morning trading streams. Really depends whenever my levels get hit. Come on, we need more bullish, we need more market buyers here, guys. We need actually more market buyers stepping in here for my trade. Negative delta in the last, at least, well, this candle isn't closed yet, but so far negative delta. Would love to see it close bullish so that this goes positive. The free trading view version is delayed market data. Yeah, that's true, but if you buy a prop firm account, you will get live data access. Really important. If you buy a prop firm account on FundedNext and you log in on TradingView, you will have live data. That's something many people also don't know. I also didn't know that when I first started to trade on prop firms. But if you buy a prop firm account on FundedNext, for example, you will get live data. You will get a login. Then you can log in on TradeAwait. You just have to enable the settings on TradeAwait that you can log in on TradingView, and then you will automatically have live data on ES futures. So you don't need to pay for that. FundedNext is covering that basically. You just need to pay the fee. So that's really, really important. We are pumping, guys. Come on, we are pumping. I would love to see a nice fat take profit, and then I'm probably actually gonna switch off my stream if we hit the take profit. My take profit is here. Right here is my take profit at the daily VWAP. Yeah, actually notice that demo trader weight has what did you say? Let me check. I need to fix this for the next stream. I need to have my stream on my MacBook right next to me, but right now I cannot move it, the chat. Guys, we are pumping. We are pumping. I mean, what 1.3 RR hit, guys? 1.3 RR. The trade hit. We sniped the low. I mean, absolute sniper. There's nothing else to say. It was absolute sniper live trade. I was waiting for this level 1 hour on stream. 1 hour I was waiting, no more, I think 90 minutes. And this is why I tell you guys, this is a perfect example. You need to be patient. Don't ever rush into a trade. Yeah, but it's looking good. Let's go back to the order flow. What did you say? Notice that demo trader weight has exact market data as well. Yes, that is true. Nice, guys. New market buyers are coming in. We are pumping. I mean, it is looking juicy. Great setup, sort of phenomenal. Thank you, man. We had such insane streams, by the way. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, even the low that we sniped on ES on stream, that was absolutely an insane trade. Like, it was the trade of the month that we took live on stream. Oh, I love to trade ES, guys. I love to trade ES. It's just so nice to trade. We're almost 3k in profit, by the way, on my funded accounts. Almost 3k up now. 3k in profit live. I want to buy premium trading with 70% off, but yeah, you actually need it. I think there is one. Wow, we are pumping. Holy moly, guys. A lot of new market buys coming in, a lot of positive delta, volume, everything is looking good still. Honestly, guys, for anyone that is in the same setup, you can also hold this longer if you want to. I'm gonna close here. I'm gonna go out here fully at the daily VWAP. But you could honestly hold this. We can possibly go up here today still. There is a possibility. I mean, you can hold it up to the value high as well. You can hold it to the point of control. These are usually two nice take profit levels. I'm gonna close this out here though. We are 300 up, 1.5 RR hit, guys. 1.5 RR hit just now on the live trade. Absolutely beautiful trade. Absolutely beautiful, this live trade. But guys, I'm gonna be happy once I closed it. This is the main thing. Anything can still happen until I close the trade. Then we are safe. Right now, anything can still happen. Here's my take profit, guys. The sell limit. Come on. We're getting close to it though. We can hit this in the next, I don't know, 20 minutes possibly. But what a sniper. I mean, guys, we waited for this level live. I was waiting almost 2 hours for this level and it was worth it to wait. We sniped the exact low. I mean, yes, we did go a little bit into drawdown, but this was an absolutely beautiful trade again. And we're 1.5 RR up already. You can see this here. I hit 1.5 RR already. So if you want, guys, you can go out. If you want to secure the profits now, feel free to do that. I don't care what you guys are gonna do. I'm just gonna trade my plan. And what did you guys write? Let me see the chat. What are you saying about footprint from TradingView? It's not bad, but it's never the same as extra charts because I pay for live data. It's not bad though. You can get profitable with it. Also, so I would start with this. I wouldn't buy order flow when you start. I would only use TradingView. Jetzt sind wir ja wieder beim Daily VWAP. We are not at the Daily VWAP yet, guys. The Daily VWAP is here. You can see this on the order flow. This is the most accurate VWAP. It's at 6,980 and I'm waiting for this retest. And this is where I'm gonna close out this trade that we took together live on stream. And I'm also gonna post the profits, by the way, once in my Discord. Once we're close to trade, but right now, guys, we're still anything can happen right now. So no need to be happy yet. I mean, even though the trade was really good already, but I only get happy once you close it. We need to go a little bit higher here. Come on, guys, let's push a little bit more. Order flow is still looking fine here. David, what do you say? David, what do you mean? Sivan, take it in your basket and wait 3 to 4 days. Sometime it give you a great discount, man. I think if you put it into your basket, TradingView, they're gonna send you a discount if you don't buy it. That could be very true. Come on, guys, we need a little bit of stronger push here to fill the take profit, and then we are done for the day. Well, not done. I'm gonna leave this trade open for sure, by the way, because that's the cool thing. If we hit this, this is the cool thing about trading, guys. If I win this trade, it's not won yet, but if we hit the take profit here, I can still lose this trade and be up for the day. So, and if we go up here, guys, and I'm gonna fill this, and this is another win, yeah, then we're gonna be up big. And we have no more risk. So if we, this is why I will be so happy once you hit the take profit here, because I will have no more risk for the whole day. I can only end the day profitable unless I lose 2 trades in a row again, which is really, really, really unlikely, almost impossible, because I wouldn't risk 2 stop losses after this win. I would never, you should never get greedy. After we hit this take profit, I'm gonna wait for this, and if we don't hit this, I'm gonna not trade at all and be happy with the profits. Yeah, or on the tick data. It's already 70% though, I don't know if they give another on top. I think 70% is a fine deal, I would get it now if I were you. 70% seems like a good deal. Come on, guys, we are pumping. We are pumping. Order flow, have a quick look at the order flow. You can see positive delta, positive volume. We have some shorts trapped here. We have a lot of shorts trapped here. Look at this, guys. These are, for example, here at 6,940, we have 4.1k people, 4.1k contracts that have been sold. At this level, here we have 2.6k, 3.2k, 3.5k, and this is an absurd amount of money, right? These are 4k contracts, guys. I'm trading with 2, and these are micro contracts. So we had an insane amount of sells, and hopefully we're gonna go higher and squeeze them, because if that happens, they're gonna get liquidated and we'll see a short squeeze, guys. We're gonna see a short squeeze. So this is why order flow is also really nice to look at. But yeah, let's go back a bit to TradingView. Oh, what a trade, guys. I hope you subscribe. I mean, this is an insane trade that we took live. I hope you are all subscribed, guys, and join my Discord, my free Discord. Everything I do is free. I don't sell anything. I don't sell signals. I don't sell courses. The only thing I do is giveaways. My whole Discord is free. And I posted this trade on my Discord as well, by the way, for free. But I'm not going to post all my trades, by the way, just so you know, because it's not allowed. I'm going to post some of my trades, but I'm going to stream as much as I can, because that is allowed. I'm allowed to live stream my trades. It's no financial advice, obviously. This is only for my own documentation. Just to be very clear here, guys. This is not any financial advice. This is solely for my own documentation. We are pushing though, still. We're still holding strong. Looking good. What is the chat saying? Will you trade CP on Friday? Yes, I will trade on Friday live as well. I'm gonna trade tomorrow and on Friday live again on YouTube. What a sniper, guys. We are in a sniper trade. I really can't wait as well once I fix my AdSense and I can monetize the channel. I don't care about the money, but the algorithm is much better if you're monetized. And right now my stream isn't, my channel isn't even monetized. So I cannot wait once, but I think it's gonna take some time. I need to stream a lot for that to happen. The funny thing is this channel was actually once monetized, but I lost it because I was inactive. now I have to go through it again, which is kind of annoying, honestly. Come on, guys, we need to go a bit higher, then we have a nice take profit for the day. We need to go a little bit higher here. I'm glad I found you. Good energy here. Cool, man. Where did you find me on YouTube? We have a 15-minute average watch time. That's really good, actually. So everyone that joined the stream watched for an average 50 minutes. That's kind of good. Kind of good, man. But thank you for the compliment, Sam. I hope I'll see you in the next streams. I'm gonna also try to remember all the names as much as I can. Right now it's still easy because I'm not a big streamer, but I think if we get some more viewers, it's gonna get a little more difficult, I think. We are seeing a pullback here. What is the order flow saying? I mean, there are some new sellers that came in here. As you can see, negative delta. Still gonna hold here, guys. I wanna see this VWAP hit, come on. Such a high probability that we hit this. This is why I don't want to close the trade. And I honestly think we can still go higher. I honestly think we can go up to here again, up to 7,000. But let's see. But so far it looks like we can go higher still for today. Yeah, YouTube. So that looks like the algorithm is working a bit on YouTube. If you found me on YouTube, that's cool. Yeah, and the thing is, I like to stream on YouTube because you can also see much more. I used to stream on TikTok in Swiss German. I was streaming for 1 month on TikTok in Swiss German, but it's just not the same. On YouTube, you can show everything much better as well. But I'm gonna try to stream on both platforms. This is my goal, to stream on YouTube and TikTok live. I think this is the best way to grow. To stream on both platforms at the same time. Do you think the short will happen anytime soon? As I said, I'm gonna wait for this level here. But I don't know. Right now, anything can still happen. It's looking bullish. We reclaimed the VWAP. We reclaimed the anchored VWAP. We reclaimed the very low here from the uptrend. I mean, it looks like we can still go higher. I mean, honestly, if we lose this trade, then it means we're gonna go lower. And if this trade goes according to plan, then we're gonna go higher. As simple as that. Because I don't want to see us lose those lows, actually. Because if we lose those, there is not a lot of support here. You can see these levels are the next support levels for possible long entries. And in between here, there's not a lot of support. So yeah, if we lose this trade, guys, we're gonna go lower, most likely. But right now, it's still looking good. Still fine to hold. Just need patience, patience. And if we hit this take profit, guys, then we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a really good day, because then we can take one more trade, and if we lose it, we'll still be in profit overall. So once we hit take profit here, I'm gonna be safe for the whole day, and I can even make more if we go up here, and I take the sell and it goes according to plan. And in the worst case, I would still be 2K up, $2,000 up if we hit the stop loss here after we hit the take profit here. So really good risk management, and this is how I also scale these accounts. And this is why I rather wait for the best setups, because if the setups go according to the plan, you can wait for another really good setup and make much more if both of them hit, obviously. And if you lose one, it's not even bad, because you will still be up for the whole day. Come on, guys, we need a little bit of stronger push, though. We need new market buyers, guys. We need new market buyers. There are market sellers coming in. That's not what we need. Entering the void, then. Do you think that short will happen? Oh, I already answered that. You're sadly not seeing new buys right now, guys. But the CVD overall still looks fine. I don't see any reason to close this right now. We need new market buyers, guys, for how long? What do you guys think? Do you think we're gonna go higher, or what do you think? Are you also in a long, or are you waiting for a short? We need new buyers here for my long, and more volatility. Volatility is also kind of dropping. What did you ask? 1 second. Let me look at the question. Do you have a script for making all the POCs and trading, or do you just do that? I do that manually. I manually enter the levels from Exo charts. So from my order flow software, from this one here. Oh, wait, now you can see it. I do put these levels here. These are the order flow levels. I put this on TradingView, so I'm also posting these charts always, but I do manually put them on TradingView from these levels. I just write them down on TradingView, so I also have them on TradingView. Yeah, that's it. So I do actually note them down, but that's all manually. There's no script or anything. There's no script you can use for that. It's just cleaner when I also have it on TradingView. You wouldn't have to do it, but it's also good for me to post them on Discord and stuff easier. So you guys also have the order flow levels on the TradingView chart. So you always see the order flow levels, guys, from Exo charts, which is paid on my TradingView charts. And I also post them. We need new buyers, guys. We need new buyers. We don't need new sellers. I would say push to all-time high, man. That would be insane. For my long. That would be kind of crazy for my long. But as I said, I'm gonna close it out fully here. I'm gonna close the trade fully at this level, at the daily VWAP, at this yellow line. I think we have a very good chance, a very good probability as of now that we hit this level, if not even go higher. I mean, you can make a script to automate it and make your point of controls. I don't think you can, or maybe you can, I don't know. I'm not a programmer, sadly. I wish I could program well. I know a lot about computer stuff. I'm a good tech guy, but like coding stuff is different. There you actually need some real skills. And it's not a lot of work. I like to do it manually. It's actually really pleasing for me to do this manually as well. It takes like 10 minutes each day for me to do that, if not even less. So absolutely fine to do that manually. Absolutely fine. I saw cloud AI hosted, no codes without AI. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I need to try that actually. That's true. That's true. I tried it once, but ChatGPT is really bad for coding. I tried to code some TradingView scripts and stuff like this in ChatGPT. There was just so many mistakes. I got absolutely triggered, honestly. We are seeing some buyers, guys. We are seeing some buyers. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's close this as a green candle. This is what I want to see. Right now it's red. Close it as a green one. Let's go. We're green. This is where we need to go, guys, for full take profit. We're getting closer and closer. I also have a date today, guys, by the way. I need to go. I need to switch off my stream at 6. I have a date at 7 PM, so maybe I have to tell her that it's gonna be a little bit later. Depending if we're gonna close this trade, honestly. Use cloud. Wait, what did you write? That's interesting. Let me see. I'm gonna quickly switch to TradingView so I can read the chat. Wait, what the heck? What did I do now? Oh, there we go. Use cloud code or base 40. What is cloud code? I never heard that, but Valentine is only on Saturday. The best is Claude. ChatGPT is just, yeah, ChatGPT is rage bait. You're absolutely right. I got mad using that software. Honestly, it actually made me go crazy because there was a new error all the time and it wasn't able to solve it. What am I pressing? I'm pressing the wrong buttons. There we go. Guys, we're getting really close to the take profit. Then we're going to be up 4.5k on the day. And I would say 4.5k is not bad to end the day. Or actually not to end it, but to wait for a new trade. Valentine is only on Saturday. Guys, by the way, one question to you chat, to the chat here. Does any one of you, is maybe any one of you good at editing shorts and editing videos? Because I want to hire someone that edits my screen, that makes small edits from my streams. If any one of you knows someone that does this well or is good at this, please text me, write me a message on Discord. I'm looking for someone that's obviously gonna be paid. Because I'm too lazy, I don't have time to edit these videos and do all that stuff. So I want to get someone who's also better at that than myself. If I can't find anyone, I'm going to use AI, because there are some tools that you can clip your stream with. I might actually do this. I used one before, it was actually kind of good. You can it basically, you can multi-stream on it, and also it automatically clips like interesting moments in your stream and edits them for you. It's kind of crazy. So I might actually just use that again. But I think manually is still the way to go to make it really good. $370 up per account, so we are 3k up on total, as you can see on top, because we are trading on 10 accounts. We're getting really close to my take profit here. You can see my take profit here, guys, and we had a sniper entry. I mean, what a sniper entry here. Live on stream, guys. Everything traded live on stream. It feels even better to hit those nice trades on stream, honestly. Bueno today, absolutely banger stream today so far. I'm happy, but I'm gonna be really happy once you hit this take profit, guys. Right now I'm still a bit, anything can happen, you know what I mean? Anything can still happen. Until we hit the take profit and locked in the profits, anything can still happen. But I do think the probability is really, really high now to hit the take profit. We have a really, really high probability. There are new sells coming in here though, I don't like that. We need more buys. We need more buys, guys, I'm gonna show it to you. There are some sells pulling in here, but we did manage to close the last candle green, by the way, which is really cool. So this one is the new candle. So we still have 15 minutes for this candle to close, so I hope it's gonna close green as well. I think we can maybe hit take profit in the next 30 minutes, if everything goes according to the plan. That would be cool. Man, how long have I been streaming, by the way? I've been streaming 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes. That's crazy. And I think out of the whole 2 hours and 30 minutes, I've waited like 1 hour and a half for the trade, if not even longer. So there you see how much of a waiting game trading is. Yes, we're getting new buyers. Massive green bubble here. We need more, guys. We need more. You could leave a runner. Yes, I could. But I want to actually close this just and be fine with it. You can, honestly, we can go much higher today. I'm going to be honest. But I want to close this and be done with it. I mean, I'm happy with 4.5k. I'm absolutely happy with that. There's no need to get greedy. You know what I mean? I'd rather have a good trade and then wait for the next trade. Get out of this trade. We are pumping. Let's go. Come on, chat. We are getting to my level. We're coming to my level. This is the level I'm waiting for. 67979. And you should also hear once you close the trade. But you're right. You could leave this trade. I mean, look here. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna show it to you, chat. We can go up to here. Honestly, we can go to the value high and maybe even to the sell, which I am gonna take if we hit the take profit here. I am still gonna leave this trade open. Come on, guys, we need a little bit higher here. Here's the full take profit. I closed it. I need to drop and can monitor it further. Dropped it, wins in the Discord. Nice, man. Yeah, it's fine if you close it. As I said, any profit is fine. If you want, you can close it, guys. It's a really nice trade that we took, so... And it's at 1.5 RR already, so that's a good trade. Good amount of profit to close, 1.5 RR. What is the order flow saying? Still bullish, actually. But we're seeing some new sells here again. Trading changed my life. I've been profitable for 1 and 3 months after 4 years of trading. I'm telling you, trading changes everyone's life, because even if you, let's say you don't become profitable, you still will learn a lot from it. It's a really nice skill to have, honestly. It's a really good skill to have. Guys, we need to go a bit higher here to the daily VWAP. For my full take profit, now I just moved something. But what a beautiful live trade, so far at least. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful live trade. Yes, we're gonna close this, hopefully blue as well. That would be nice. And the candle is green again, or at least about to become green. We have exactly 11 minutes left for this candle to close. Would love to see a green close here. Come on, guys, we're getting close to take profits. Big green bubble. Kinda love these bubbles they added to extra shorts. It's really funny for the stream as well. Come on. We need more buyers, guys. We need a little bit more buyers for the take profit. Can you partially close a contract? Is it just one? Nah, you would have to open two trades and close one. On TradingView at least. But you can open 2 contracts or 3. Let's say you want to take a trade with 3 contracts, and you just open 3 contracts with 3 trades with 1 contract. And then you can close them individually. So that does work, but you just have to like split it up to the trade. Guys, we are pumping. We are pumping. It still look, I don't know, I don't see a reason to close this trade right now, guys. And I would really like to see this level hit, but as I said, we are nicely in profit. If you want, you can go out now. I would really want to see a retest here. I mean, I do think we can go here. Probably in the next 10 minutes, maybe even. What did you say? I wouldn't dare to trade 3 contracts, I fear. Yeah, it depends on your account size. I'm trading on 50k accounts, on 10 50k accounts. So it really depends on what account size you're using, right? I usually risk 2, I used to risk 3 to 6, but now that I have 10 accounts that are funded, I scaled it down to 2 only, because it's safer for long-term scaling. It's safer to just trade with 2 contracts. Come on, guys, we need a little bit stronger push here for the full take profit. Take profit hit 6.87 RR from Karim. Crazy Karim. Took an insane trade in the chat. 6.8 RR, that's insane, man. Congrats to you. Man, I want to see a little bit higher here, guys. Look at this. Order flow is still looking good. Still positive delta, still a green candle. And this is where we're gonna close it. At this yellow line, at the daily VWAP. What a beautiful live trade though, guys. I hope you liked the stream. We sniped the low. We absolutely sniped the low together. Look at the sniper. Went into the trade here. I was live before this level hit, by the way. I was live before this hit. We waited 1.5 hours for this trade. And guess what? We sniped the low. I mean, it couldn't have been a better entry, I'm gonna be honest. It was an absolute sniper. It's insane. It's insane. So I hope you guys also made some good trades today. I mean, and let's see, guys. We're getting close. We're getting close to take profit. Wow, nice push, guys. A lot of buys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. At the daily open. Actually, guys, I'm gonna close here. I'm gonna close this trade. And we are out. I just showed it to you. I'm out of the trade. Oops, I was on exit short. Sorry, guys, but I closed the trade now. I did go out. Why? Because we hit, I can show it to you guys. We hit the previous week close. So this is the first resistance level. And I'm just gonna lock in the profits. I'm just gonna lock in the, how much do we make? Let me see quickly. So we made 3.7k on that trade, which is absolutely fine. 3.7k. So, guys, as you can see, all the trades are closed now. What I'm gonna do now, I think we can still go higher, by the way. I do think we can still go higher, don't get me wrong. I just wanted to lock in the profits because I'm happy with 3.7k for the day. I'm gonna open this trade now. For all of you guys, I'm gonna open this trade here again because it got closed, because I closed the other trade. Oh wait, let me flatten my accounts. I need to quickly flatten my accounts on Topstep and FundedNext. Give me 1 second. How can I do this without leaking my name? Let me quickly, oh wait. I need to quickly hide this. 1 second, guys, I'll show it again. Flatten group. Okay, now it's gonna close all the trades just to make sure I have everything closed on all my funded accounts. And now let's show it again. So here's the daily P&L again. And guys, we're still pumping. I think we're gonna go higher. Honestly, if you are in still this trade, you can, if you want, hold it up to here. That would be a 3.5 RR trade. I did close it here at 2 RR. I'm happy with that. Happy with the profits. But now, guys, I'm gonna enter one more short here. We're gonna enter a short here. In case we actually go up here, I'm still gonna risk this trade. And guys, this is the crazy thing. Now, we have a win. We made 300, how much? $370 per account. So if we lose this trade, you can see now, if I lose this trade, guys, I will still be in overall profit. And if we win it, guys, if we win this trade, we're gonna have a banger day. Also, we're gonna have an absolute insane trade day. So this is why I also decided to close this. I don't want to get greedy. So we are gonna place this sell limit here. As you can see, I placed it now and I'm risking $200. So even if I lose this trade, guys, even if this goes into stop loss, we are still gonna be in profit. And if we win it, we're gonna make a net additional 6k. So if we actually win this trade still today, we're gonna be up 10k. So this is why I decided to close this trade. But you can see, guys, we can still go higher, yes, but I'm happy with the trade. Happy with the profits. Absolute banger live trade. I mean, yeah, it couldn't have gone better. So let me read the chat. What a day, guys. Now I'm happy, as you can see, because we closed it. I don't really see any structure that could make this trade turn down. Yeah, there could be some bearish movement on. Yeah, I think we're gonna go higher. As I said, I think we're gonna go higher. But I'm happy with the gains. I'm happy with the profits. As I said, there's no need for me to be greedy. Absolutely no need for me to be greedy if I'm up 3.7k on the day. Yeah, but we can obviously go higher as well. But I'm out of the trade now, guys. It was an absolute nice trade. So I have a sell now placed here. This is the only trade I want to take anymore right now. And honestly, the cool thing now, guys, if we go lower, I don't care. If we go lower, we're gonna look for longs tomorrow. If we go higher, we're gonna look for shorts tomorrow, or maybe today even, if we go here. But I'm not gonna place a long. I'm not gonna place any long. This is the only trade I want to have open. Because like this, I can not even close the day in a loss today. If we hit the stop loss here, guys, I'm still gonna be in profit overall. So we are absolutely, well, we closed it perfectly so far, by the way. And this is why I closed it. For anyone that's asking, why did you close this trade? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Daily open, previous day very low, previous day close at one level. We hit it to the dollar, as you can see here, and this is where I closed the trade as well. This is why I immediately decided to close it here, just to be safe. So far, it was the perfect close. Alright, guys, I mean, we had a banger stream. And by the way, guys, quickly want to show you something. Someone just rated crazy what a trade in Discord. I want to quickly show you my Discord, by the way. and I'm also gonna post my trade right now on the Discord, so I can also show you exactly that I took it on my own funded accounts, just for transparency purpose. So give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly how much I made and how much we made live on the stream. I need to quickly hide this. 1 second, guys, so I can make a screenshot, not a screenshot, but export it. There you go. I'm gonna post it under wins. Let me share it quickly. Save. How can I save it? Where is it now? Where did I save it? Is it this? February 11th. Yeah, I got it. Alright, guys, I'm posting the wins from today on my max funded Topstep account and max funded FundedNext accounts from this small short trade that we took here, guys. Live. I'm gonna write live trade from today on stream. I posted on the wrong section. Oops. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll come back to you shortly. I've trade taken on stream. Alright, I posted it, guys. Give me 1 second. Now I want to show it to you. I need to add this again. I need to quickly add my Discord to the stream. Give me 1 second. Because I want to quickly show you, guys. I want to quickly show you that. There we go. Now I'm gonna add Discord. How do I do this? Window capture, Discord. There we go. I finally did it, I think. So guys, as you can see on my Discord, I'm quickly gonna show you that. I wanna show you that quickly. This is from the trade that we took live, and we got some reactions here from the people. So make sure to react to this. This is the trade we took live, and you can see here, guys, I have 10 accounts connected. This is exactly what I've on stream. This was, you can see the balance went up for my funded accounts. This is the P&L we made from the trade on 10 accounts. So we had made $370 on each account. We risked $200. So we hit close to 2 RR on the trade. Absolute banger trade. And you can see here, FundedNext 5 50k accounts, that's the max you can have, and Topstep 5 50k accounts. And you can see I took the trades, exact the same trades on all accounts. So yeah, I wanted to quickly show you that. I posted it on Discord here as well. So join my free Discord, guys, if you haven't. I'm really active on this Discord. I even posted this trade on my Discord. And I mean, look at this close. We closed it absolutely perfect as well. I mean, banger stream today. Guys, can't say much more than this. I hope you also had fun, because I'm about to go offline. I've streamed for 3 hours, guys. How often do you pay out? Almost every week. Almost every week. I made my last, I think it was 25k payout, around that last week. You could also see my balance went down. This is because I requested a payout. So whenever my balance goes down, we were at like 540k, I think, last week. And whenever my balance goes down, guys, that means I requested a payout, because then my accounts get reset. Because I obviously take out money from the payout, and that's why the balance goes down. So we are, I'm gonna show you guys, like you can actually see here how much we are in profit already. So how much I haven't paid out yet. You can simply see this here, because I have 10 accounts, 50k, so we're 50k in plus right now that I haven't paid out. And you can see here, this was last week, we were at 524k, at least the last time I sent a screenshot. Yeah, so you can tell a little bit from there if you want, but yeah, this is only on my futures account, obviously, that I trade live. This is the only thing that I want to share live, honestly. I'm not going to share anything else live. But yeah, what a good trade, guys. I hope you took a similar trade. Absolutely beautiful. We closed it really nicely as well. We closed it at the high. What is wrong with this here? I need to make this a bit smaller. So So yeah, quick recap, guys, before I end the stream. Wait, someone wrote in the chat, let me see. Already 50k plus, I think you hit more than 200k mark this year. Hopefully, yeah. Can you trade while waiting for a payout? Thanks for the stream. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna stream again tomorrow. I'm gonna stream again. Thank you for everyone that watched. I'm gonna stream live again tomorrow at around 2 to 3 p.m. So yeah, I'm gonna go off now. I'm gonna leave this trade open in case we go up there, but I'm absolutely happy with today, guys. Join my Discord. I'm gonna type this Discord quickly. Discord GG Sawto. This is my Discord, guys. So make sure to join that. I hope you also had a great day and see you on the next stream. Thank you for watching. Absolutely banger stream, by the way. I'm so happy with the stream as well. Hope you had a great day. I had a really good day and I'm gonna chill now, guys. I streamed for almost 3 hours. But tomorrow we're back. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream again and see you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Bye-bye. And I'll be active in the Discord anyways. If I'm not streaming, guys, I'm always in the Discord.